Welcome to our channel BA Careers. In this video, let us discuss about difference between functional and non-functional requirements. Introduction. Define what requirements are in software engineering. Importance of understanding different types of requirements. Functional requirements. Definition. Specify what the system should do. Examples: user authentication, data processing, business rules. Characteristics: specific, measurable, related to functionality. Importance: directly impact user interactions and business processes. Non-functional requirements. Definition: specify how the system performs its functions. Examples: performance, security, scalability, usability. Characteristics: often measurable, focus on system attributes. Importance: affect user satisfaction and system stability. Key differences. Focus: functional relates to actions, non-functional to qualities. Measurement: functional is often binary, done not done, non-functional is on a spectrum, e.g. response time. Stakeholder impact: functional requirements are more visible to users, non-functional are often more technical. Why both are important? Ensuring functional requirements are met provides the necessary functionality. Meeting non-functional requirements ensures that the system is reliable, efficient, and user-friendly. Common challenges. Overlooking non-functional requirements can lead to performance issues. Miscommunication between stakeholders about the importance of each. Conclusion. Recap the importance of balancing both types of requirements. Emphasize the role of business analysts in gathering and clarifying these requirements. In software development, understanding the difference between functional and non-functional requirements is crucial. These requirements form the backbone of any system, guiding its design, development, and eventual success. Functional requirements define what the system should do. These are the specific actions and functions that the system must perform, such as user authentication, data processing, and implementing business rules. Functional requirements are specific and measurable, making them the foundation of user interactions and business processes. On the other hand, non-functional requirements focus on how the system performs these functions. They include aspects like performance, security, scalability, and usability. While functional requirements determine what the system does, non-functional requirements ensure that it does it well, reliably, and securely. So, what's the key difference? Functional requirements are action-oriented, specifying what must be done. Non-functional requirements are quality-oriented, defining the system's attributes and performance. While functional requirements are often visible to users, non-functional ones are more technical, impacting system stability and user satisfaction. Balancing both types of requirements is essential. Functional requirements ensure the system delivers the necessary features, while non-functional requirements guarantee it does so efficiently and securely. Neglecting either can lead to a system that fails to meet user expectations or business needs. However, challenges arise when non-functional requirements are overlooked or misunderstood. This can lead to performance bottlenecks or security vulnerabilities, ultimately affecting the system's success. Clear communication between stakeholders is vital to ensure all requirements are properly understood and implemented. In conclusion, both functional and non-functional requirements are critical to the success of any software project. As a business analyst, your role is to ensure that these requirements are accurately gathered, clearly communicated, and effectively implemented, paving the way for a system that meets both user needs and business objectives. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.